Hi, I am excited to show you Weekendly, a modern web application that makes weekend planning effortless and fun. It is my submission for the Atlant Front-End Engineering Internship Challenge. My goal was to create a delightful user experience backed by robust engineering decisions. One of the first challenges was the UI itself. I wanted to modern feel, layered feel, so I chose glass morphism aesthetic. Implementing this consistently and performantly was tricky. So my solution was to use Tailwind CSS to create a set of custom utility classes that apply backdrop blur and finely tuned semi-transparent gradients. This approach kept the styling reusable and consistent across the entire application, from the main cards to the even the sidebars. So heart of Weekendly is its interactive schedule. On the left is the activity palette with over 50 activities, which can be filtered and searched. You can search on on the basis of different categories, or let's say if you want the advanced categories, you can search depending on the mood or the energy level. You can see what all activities are there. So the next major challenge was creating the drag and drop feature. Uh, for that, I chose the D&D Kit library for its powerful feature set and commitment to accessibility. A key complexity was managing the application state during the drag operation. Uh, to create to create this seamless experience, the UI optimistically updates. This was a significant state management challenge. My solution was to use JustStand. Its hook-based minimal API allowed me to create a dedicated schedule store that cleanly handles all the state logic, ensuring data consistency, and even with rapid drag and drop feature. Let's see. Also, to meet the super stretch goals, I tackled my biggest technical challenge, building Weekendly as an offline first progressive web app. This required a robust data persistence strategy. This led to a crucial engineering decision. I chose to use IndexDB, as you can show you. So Index, the index DB, I chose it over local storage. The challenge with local storage is that it's synchronous, meaning that it can block the main UI thread and make the app feel slow, especially with when we are dealing with large number of activities. So IndexedDB on the other hand is asynchronous. It allows the app to save and retrieve complex data, like nested weekend schedules. You can see without ever freezing the UI. This was essential for meeting the performance and scale requirements. All of this is powered by Service Worker for caching assets and dedicated persistent store which manages all IndexedDB operations. As a result, the entire application is fully functional offline. Any changes made offline are saved locally to the IndexedDB. So this architecture ensures that Weekendly is not just a website but a reliable tool you can count on, regardless of your network connection. Finally, to make the planning more fun, I included a summary type of system and the vibe score, which gives you the scoring based on the vibes of the schedule which you have created. You can see the energy distribution and see the what are the dominant vibes that you are trying to go for. Also, there is also dark mode which I have implemented, and you can currently there is only option for Saturday and Sunday, and you can drag and drop in even between different times of the day, or if you want you can even rearrange the order of the task. Say dance class I want to put at the top, so yeah, so you can go for that. And I've also included weather API. I'm using the Open Meteor API, so it will give you the forecast of the weather and what is the it has suggestions. It will suggest you smart suggestions based on the basis of the current weather, it can suggest you the task which you should go for. Also, there is I have integrated Google Places API. With it, you can go and see the current activities near you, which can be interesting depending on the weather. So there is a smart recommendation system is there. Also, I've tried to make the app responsive and keep it mobile friendly. As you can see, it is fully responsive and feels smooth in the activity. Also, once the task has been created, you can share your task. This is one of the fun features. You can share with your friends for this. You can choose the style which you want to go for, whether it is energetic, cozy, or fun. Let's go for energetic this time, since our schedule seems very energetic. You can choose the format. In the backend, I am using the Google's Nano Banana API for it. You can even give your personal message to see, which is optional kind of. So once you click generate, you will get the card, beautiful card, which you can share with your friends, and then uh, you download it and share with your friends, and which makes more friendly. So there is the effect which is also there. See. So this is the shareable card which has been created. Now you can share it with your friends. In the background, we are using an elaborate system prompt which contains a very detailed information about the vibes and various activities and tags which have been used to create the beautiful image using Google's Nano Banana. So yeah, that was all from my side for this assignment. I had a lot of fun and got to work with a lot of features. And it was really enlightening to implement those features and make a production ready app. I hope to hear from you guys again. Thanks a lot for this opportunity.